Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to install Brave browser on PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to install Brave browser on PC or laptop, it's actually very easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next I want you to search for brave.com on the search bar to go to the official site of Brave. And once you're on the website, there it is, guys. You will now see the Get Brave button right here. Just go and click it. And then your Brave installer file will now be downloaded, so just click the file to start the installation. And then it will now start installing. Just wait for it to be finished. And once it's finished, it's done, congratulations. You will now have your Brave browser on PC or laptop, so you can now start using it. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes for our tutorial video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.